Are you looking for the best 3D printers under 200? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers under 200 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anycubic Cobra 2 Neo 3D Printer. The Anycubic Cobra 2 Neo is a state-of-the-art FDM-fused deposition modeling 3D printer that offers advanced features for users seeking high-quality and efficient 3D printing. With a maximum print speed of 250 mm/s, this printer is designed to deliver fast and accurate printing results. One notable feature of the Cobra 2 Neo is its new integrated extruder, which enhances the overall printing experience by ensuring reliable and precise filament extrusion. The integrated extruder is a crucial component that plays a significant role in the quality of printed objects, making it an essential upgrade for users looking to achieve better results. Number 2. Sovol SV01 Pro 3D Printer. The Sovol SV01 Pro 3D Printer is an advanced and feature-rich FDM-fused deposition modeling 3D printer designed for enthusiasts, professionals, and makers. Building upon the success of its predecessor, the SV01 Pro boasts several upgrades and enhancements to deliver an improved 3D printing experience. One notable feature of the Sovol SV01 Pro is its dual Z-axis configuration, which enhances stability and precision during the printing process. This dual-axis setup contributes to better layer alignment and reduces the likelihood of printing errors, resulting in higher quality prints. Number 3. Kingren KP6 Pro 3D Printer. The Kingren KP6 Pro 3D Printer is a high-quality and advanced 3D printing device designed for users who are interested in resin-based printing. With a 4K 6.6-foot LCD screen, this printer offers impressive resolution for detailed and precise 3D prints. The use of UV resin in the printing process allows for the creation of intricate and finely detailed models, making it suitable for various applications such as DIY projects and prototyping. The portability of the Kingren KP6 Pro adds to its appeal, making it convenient for users who may need to move or transport the printer. This feature enhances its versatility, allowing users to engage in 3D printing projects in different locations. Number 4. Creality Ender 3 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 3 is a popular 3D printer known for its high precision and DIY do-it-yourself nature. Manufactured by Creality, a prominent company in the 3D printing industry, the Ender 3 is designed as an open-source 3D printer, allowing users to have greater control and customization over their printing projects. One notable feature of the Creality Ender 3 is its high precision, offering accurate and detailed 3D prints. The printer boasts a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm, providing a decently sized printing area for various projects. This makes it suitable for printing a wide range of objects, from small prototypes to larger functional parts. Number 5. Mini Heater Elegoo Saturn 3 Ultra 3D Printer. As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, I don't have specific information about a mini heater for Elegoo Saturn 3 Ultra 3D Printer or a 3D printer temperature controller from Elegoo. However, I can provide you with a general overview based on the information you've provided. The mini heater for Elegoo Saturn 3 Ultra 3D Printer seems to be a component or accessory designed for the Elegoo Saturn 3 Ultra 3D Printer. This mini heater likely serves the purpose of controlling and regulating the temperature within the 3D printer. Temperature control is crucial in 3D printing, especially for materials like thermoplastics, as it influences the printing quality and overall success of the printing process.